Front of me is SONY Xperia Denmark 4, and today I would like to show you how to change default apps on this smartphone. Firstly, open Play Store and install your new default app. In my case it will be Opera Mini browser. You don't have to open it, just wait for it to install, select Home button and go into Settings. Finally, click on Apps over here. Go into Default Apps and click on one of those sections. I wish to change my browser, so I will go with Browser app, tap on Opera Mini and simply go back. As you can see, after that, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!